Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to do this here Hart Sawzall. It doesn't work anymore. It was mine. Don't leave them out in the rain. They won't work afterwards. I forgot it and it was left actually out in the snow. And I left it dry for about a month and then tried it and it wouldn't work. It doesn't work no more, so we're going to tear it apart and see what's in it and see if it's worth anything. So, yep, let's get her done. You know plastic? This part right now. All that. Plain aluminum. Do the same for this. You always save your bars from things. You can always use them as a punch. It's copper. Not much, but it's copper. Alright, I'm going to work on getting this out, and then we'll come back and weigh everything up and see what we got. Okay, we're back, and got everything apart, so the weights aren't very impressive, but here we go. The steel was only 1 pound, 11.7 ounces. Not very much. The clean aluminum cast, it is 7.3 ounces. The insulated copper wire is 0.7 ounces. And all that copper was 1.8 ounce. And yes, I did zero the cup. So it's 1.8 ounces of copper. Wasn't a whole lot. Been worth. Is it worth it? It's definitely not worth it. It's neat to see what was in it. Been nicer if it didn't break on me, but a little bit of learning experience. So now you know what's in one. Hopefully you liked my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll get some more coming out. Thanks for watching.